The OPPO VOOC, Voltage Open Loop Multi-Step Constant Current Charging, One Flash Charging System is a proprietary rapid charge technology created by OPPO Electronics, which, at present, is able to charge certain OPPO devices from 0 to 75% in just 30 minutes in contrast to Qualcomm's Quick Charge technology increasing the voltage during fast charging. VOOC uses a higher current than normal USB 2.0 charging. Thus, VOOC operates at 5V and 4A. For transferring higher currents of 4A, VOOC requires both a special wall adapter and special cables. The VOOC flash charge circuit technology reportedly lowers the temperature of the charging adapter, and creates an interface from the adapter to the phone, which improves the speed and safety of the charge.